Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Lance here guys. For today's video, this is our fourth day grinding in trading guys. So for today's video guys, I will be just using our own language guys in Filipino. So kung kayo po ay nanonood as a Filipino guys, is mas maiintindihan nyo po ang sasabihin ko dito guys. So dito guys is nakapag-earn po ako dito guys. May kita nyo naman po sa trading history ko guys. By the way, pakinood na lang po nung last video guys, is nakapag-withdraw po ako dito doon ng $5,000 at meron po akong natira na $400 at naging 2,600 na din po ngayon. At kung natatanong nyo guys, paano ko ba ito na trading streak guys ng madali guys? So simple lang guys, aralin nyo lang po talaga guys ang kanilang tutorial. Marami po sila ditong tutorial guys na makapagbibigay po sa inyo ng dagdag informasyon at skills guys, para po kayo dito ay mag trade guys. And kailangan din po kayo dito guys magbasa ng kanilang market analysis guys, dito sa kanilang news, dito sa kanilang economic calendar, at saka dito sa kanilang earnings calendar guys. Dito guys, makikita nyo po dito ang mga trend guys, kung ano po ang mga currency or crypto guys na malaki po ang kanyang hatak guys, malaki po ang kanyang tinaas na presyo or binaba na presyo. At dyan nyo po guys ma-analyze guys kung ano po ang takbo ng isang crypto sa market guys. So try natin itong Melania coin. So dito guys, meron po sila ditong binibigay na 87% guys every time you correct your guess guys. In just 5 seconds guys, malalaman nyo na po guys if nakapag-earn po ba kayo ng 87% profit guys. At nasa inyo pa rin yan guys kung ito ba ang pipiliin ninyo dito, kasi marami po sila dito ang mga trader's choice guys, at mayroon po yung corresponding percentage na profit guys. First of all guys, before tayo mag-trade guys, sa mga nanonood po dyan guys, this video is for educational purposes only guys. I'm not a financial advisor guys. I'm just showing what I am capable to trade in the Xnova guys. So please guys, do your own research and study your technical analysis guys. So dito guys, magta-try po tayo dito, magta-trade po tayo dito guys ng at least $50 muna. So take note guys ha, pwede din po kayo dito mag-practice guys, kasi meron po sila dito binibigay na free $10,000 guys. Pwede nyong gawin na practice account guys sa pag-trade guys. At kung ready na po kayo guys, pwede po kayong mag-deposit guys. At you can use my promo code guys, LanceYT guys. Nasa description lang po guys ang promo code ko. At kung gagamitin nyo po yan guys, meron po kayong matatanggap na free na $5 cashback guys. Dito I think it will go higher guys. So try natin. Wow, so easy, 87% guys. Ulitin natin guys, gawin nating 300. I think tataas po ito guys, tataas po yan. I think tataas po yan. Yun, sabi ko na sa inyo guys, panalo tayo guys ng 87% guys. Nakapanalo po tayo doon ng $300 plus guys. So gabi, in just 5 minutes guys lang ha, 5 minutes pwede nyo na po kitain ang inyong profit dito guys. For as low as $1 guys, pwede na po kayo dito makapag-trade, and in just 5 seconds or depende po sa inyo, up to 5 minutes guys, pwede nyo po malaman if nakapag-profit po ba kayo dito. And also guys, ang kagandahan lang din dito guys is pinapa-feel po ng Xnova guys na good to invest po ang kanilang platform dito guys. And meron po sila dito minimum deposit na $10 guys, and meron din po sila dito 250 assets guys that will meet your investment choices guys. And they have a powerful platform for smart investing guys. And you can also get $10,000 guys for demo practice account guys. And you can also contact their customer services guys 24/7 po yan guys. Kahit alas 12 ka pa ng hating gabi or 1 AM ka po, pwede po sila makapag-reply po guys. So kung nakikita nyo po guys, ang platform natin guys is madali lang po talaga siyang aralin guys. Hindi po siya mahirap guys. Kasi nakalagay dito guys, ginawa po nilang easy, user friendly po ang kanilang platform. Madali-dali nating mamaster ang paggamit ng kanilang platform guys. So dito guys, you can also live chat guys, trader sentiment and community live trade guys. You can also join their Telegram group guys. Win real cash weekly up to $1,000 guys. You can trade and win. You can join in their Telegram channel, Telegram chat or Discord or X or Instagram guys. So for today's guys is withdraw po tayo dito guys. So kahapon nakapag-withdraw po ako, ngayon din mag-withdraw din po tayo dito. Dito guys sa kanilang withdrawal, pwede po ninyo gamitin ang inyong BNB, Bitcoin, ADA, Ethereum, or pwede din pong GCash dito guys. At itong Litecoin guys. So sige, maglagay lang po ako dito ng GCash guys para dito papasok sa aking GCash. So account name, i-hide ko na lang po guys. And amount guys, mag-withdraw lang po tayo dito ng 848 USDT guys, kasi ang kanilang amount dito guys, ang kanilang max withdrawal every transaction guys is 848 USDT guys. And meron pa sila ditong kinakaltas guys na commission guys. So instead of 848 guys is magiging 864 USDT guys ang babawa sa atin since meron po siyang withdrawal fee. So ayan. So your withdrawal is requested guys and accepted guys. Maghintay lang po tayo doon guys ng 1 to 3 business days para pumasok sa ating GCash account guys. So what are you waiting for guys? Why not join the Xnova trading app guys? Use the promo code LANCEYT guys. May kita nyo po yan sa description guys. At yung link guys nasa comment section lang po para po kayo ay makagawa ng account. At kapag mag-join po kayo dito guys, make sure na i-practice nyo po muna ang kanilang binibigay na 10,000 practice demo balance guys. At kung ready na po kayo guys, pwede na po kayo mag-deposit guys. Thank you for staying in the video guys. So I hope guys meron po kayong natutunang kaalaman sa pag-trade sa Xnova guys. And see you in my next videos.